Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to explain our Revoobit compensation plan, focusing on the binary aspects. But we're going to start first by talking about the registration package. This is for people in Nigeria, please. We're using the Naira all through. So if you look at this, if you want to start Revoobit International, you want to get the starter pack, you're going for 60,000 naira for starter package, and that will give you one box of Miracell or Miralife. If you go for the bronze package, it's 120,000 naira and it will give you two boxes, Miracell or Miralife. Silver costs 600,000 naira and it will give you 10 boxes of Miracell or Miralife. And of course, the gold package is 1.2 million naira and it will give you 20 boxes of Miracell or Miralife. Please take note that you can start with whatever package you can conveniently afford. There is room for you to upgrade as you grow the business. Okay, so let's now begin to talk about the bonuses. Before we start, we'll talk about one particular bonus that we really don't talk about because it's not in the system, which is the retail profit. So what is retail profit? Retail profit simply means that when you become a distributor, you have an account for yourself that you can use to shop for our products at a discounted rate. So when you buy this product at detailed distributor price, you can actually retail the products to your customers at our recommended retail price. So when you become a distributor, you'll be given the price list of the distributor price and the retail price. Our profit margin is very, very awesome. For some products, you can make as much as 5,000 naira profit minimum per box, and some products 10,000 naira minimum per box. Of course, nobody tracks your sales, and much boxes you want to sell in a month is 100% up to you. Selling can put money in your pocket real fast. But if you want to really build business with Revoobit International and you're serious, we'll now begin to talk about the bonuses under the binary aspect, which we're going to talk about the sponsor bonus, the roll-up bonus, group incentive bonus, and the one other bonus I've missed right now, and double development bonus. So let's get started. What is sponsor bonus? Sponsor bonus is a bonus paid to you instantly for every registration you successfully complete. So you talk to somebody and the person decides to buy any of these membership packages. Immediately that registration is activated, you get our sponsor bonus. So how is sponsor bonus calculated? We have two categories of sponsor bonus. We have sponsor bonus for members who are on the starter, bronze, and silver package, which is 30%. And we have sponsor bonus for members on the gold package, which is 35%. Now, the sponsor bonus is tied to the point value attached to each package. The starter package has 50 points attached to it, the bronze package 100 points, silver package 500 points, and the gold package 1,000 points. So if you have somebody who wants to register through you, you are on starter, bronze, or silver, you yourself, remember, and the person wants to register through you, the person is going for starter package, your instant sponsor bonus is 15,000 naira. The person is coming in with 60,000. Your instant bonus is 15,000. If the person is going for the bronze package, your instant sponsor bonus is 30,000 naira. The silver package, your instant sponsor bonus is 150,000. And for the gold member, if you sign up a gold, your instant sponsor bonus is 300,000. Please take note that you get these bonuses at their initial registration and when they upgrade to higher package. Now, if you're on the gold package, your own sponsor bonus is 35%, so 5% higher. Now, if you register a starter, you're paid 17.5, that's 17,500 naira. If you register a bronze, you're paid 35,000 naira. If you register a silver, it's 125,000 naira. And of course, if you register a gold, it's 350,000 naira. Now, please take note, in sponsor bonus, there is no limit. You are the one that will limit yourself. You can sponsor as many people as you want. In the course of you doing business with Revoobit International, there is no limit. The company does not place a limit on you. So if you choose to come in and you sponsor only 2 people, it's your choice. If you want to sponsor 100 people, 300 people, 500 people, 1,000 people, it is 100% your choice. Why? Because the more people you sponsor, the more money you make. And please take note, like I said, the sponsor bonus is paid both at the initial registration and when the person upgrades to higher packages. So somebody can start like with the bronze package, you earn a sponsor bonus. And when the person decides to upgrade to maybe silver or gold, you also earn the balance of the sponsor bonus. Okay, the next bonus we'll quickly talk about is the roll-up bonus, which is tied to the sponsor bonus and is strictly for members on the gold package. It's also paid out instantly. The registration is complete. What this means is that the gold members are the VIP members in Revoobit International. So I would advise that as you become part of Revoobit International, as you start building your business, do the best you can to get to the gold package as fast as possible. So how does that work? every time there's a starter registration in the system, there is a 2,500 naira that members who are on starter, bronze, and silver do not get. That extra money is paid to the member on gold. When there's a bronze registration, there's a 5,000 naira these other people do not get. It is paid to the first gold person above that registration that was smart enough to upgrade to gold. That person receives the 5,000 naira. When there's a silver registration, it's a whooping 25,000 naira that gold member will receive. And of course, if it's a gold, it is 50,000 naira the gold member will receive. And it is to infinity under that gold member structure until somebody else is smart enough to get to gold package and block it for his or her own organization. And that person begins to earn the roll-up bonus. So for you to earn the roll-up bonus, two important things you must take note. You must be on the gold package, number one. And you must have sponsored people who are also bringing in people, right? So you don't just go and be on the gold package and you have not built a network and you're expecting roll-up bonus. It will not come. Okay, quickly, let's jump to this important bonus. The daily development bonus is a bonus paid every 24 hours. Every 24 hours, our system has been programmed to read the volume generated on your left and on your right. Okay, so remember we said that starter has 50 points, bronze has 100 points, silver 500 points, and gold 1,000 points. So every single day, every distributor in Revoobit International has a structure like this. So when you start building your organization, placing people on the left and on the right, depending on where you choose to place them at registration, their volume counts on that side of the matrix. So if there is a starter here, it will add 50 points. If there is a bronze here, it will add 100 points. If there's a silver here, it will have 500 points. If there's a gold here, it will add 1,000 points. So however the registrations are coming in every day, you don't even have to bother yourself. Just build your organization, and as your people are duplicating and working, new people are joining or they are upgrading, these volumes are being added, right? So what happens is that every single day, our system has been programmed to automatically read the volume on the left, read the volume on the right, and pay out 10% of the volume on the leg that has lesser points for that day. It could be your left, it could be your right, it doesn't matter. As far as that leg has a lesser volume for the day, you get 10% of that lesser volume. And if you are a starter, please take note, if you're a starter, the highest you can earn from double development is $50. Even if your network generated $500, you will only earn $50, which is 50,000 naira. The remaining money disappears, goes back to the company. If you are a bronze, you will earn $100, which is equivalent to 100,000 naira. If you were supposed to earn maybe 1 million naira, guess what? Only 100,000 will be paid to you. The rest will disappear. Why? Because you refuse to upgrade. Now, if you are a silver, this is a good place. It's as much as 2.5 million naira. It's going to take a while for your network to generate this. And then if you're a gold, you can earn to infinity amount, which means that even if your network generated something more than 2.5 million for the day, because you're a gold member, you will get it. But please take note, how is this volume generated? The volume on your left and on your right is generated from new registrations and upgrades. So as new members are joining or they are upgrading to higher packages, you are getting the volume. So if you register and your network is not growing and volumes are not generated on the left and on the right, you cannot earn this bonus. Because we're not running a Ponzi scheme, but you're running a real business. This volume are generated as people are buying membership packages, and buying membership packages simply means that the products are moving. We're a product-based company. Okay, next bonus we talk about is the group incentive bonus. This is the last bonus we're talking about today, because under the binary, there are 4 bonuses. So what is the group incentive bonus? The group incentive bonus is very closely tied to this double development bonus. The same way you earn this bonus is the same way your team members earn this bonus, right? So what does the system do? The system says, because you built an organization that is duplicating multiple levels, the people you directly sponsor are your level 1. We call them your level 1. Let's call them, in easy terms, your children. You're a parent. You gave birth to your child, right? Now, your second generation people are your grandchildren, because they were given birth to by your generation 1 people. Your third generation people are your great-grandchildren, because they were given birth to by your grandchildren, in that order, right? This bonus is paid to level 10. But you again determine how much you will earn based on the membership package you choose to remain on. If you're on starter package, the company says the highest levels you can earn to is level 5. So level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're a bronze, it stops at level 6 for you. If you're silver, it starts at level 8, and of course, if you're gold, you get it to level 10. Now, let me explain how this works in real life. Let's say, for example, you brought me into the business, and today I made 100,000 naira from the business. Because you're the one that brought me to the business, you get 5%. If I brought in somebody else into the business, and that person made 50,000 naira today, because you brought me and I brought that person, you will earn 4% of the person's 50,000 naira. Why I will earn 5% of the person's 50,000, because I was the one that brought the person. So every single day, as far as people in your matrix are earning double development, whether they're on your right or your left, in group incentive bonus, it doesn't matter. As far as somebody somewhere here is earning a binary bonus, somebody somewhere here is earning a binary bonus, as many as they are, as far as they fall within your level 1 to 10, based on your package, you will earn this group incentive, and it's paid out every 24 hours, which is daily. So under the binary aspect of Revoobit International, we have instant bonus, which is sponsor bonus and and then roll-up bonus. And then we have daily bonus, which is double development bonus and group incentive bonus. Please watch this video carefully. And as you grow your business, keep referring back to this video. When you register new people, pass on this video to them so that they will have a clear understanding of how their binary system works. Thank you.